How to fix WhatsApp media setting issues, can't send or download files. Here's the 8 solutions for your Android phone. Okay, so solution number 1 is you want to make sure that you have an internet connection on your phone. So here, check on the Wi-Fi signal. So make sure that your phone has strong Wi-Fi connection. You may want to move closer to your Wi-Fi router and make sure your Wi-Fi is steady and you have a strong signal. If not, you can also try to use mobile data network and see if that helps. Here you can open up a web page and you can go to, say, speed test. So you want to test your internet connection, so tap on the go button and make sure you have a very steady and fast download and upload speed. And here it's gone, it's testing download speed at the moment. I do have around 4 megabits. That's quite slow, but it is downloading. So give it a test and make sure you have good steady internet connection. If you do have problem with your internet connection, you can go into settings. So in settings, we can try to reset network settings. So depending on your device, here on my Samsung device, I go into settings and then general. Here, if I go down to general management, and then I tap on reset. From here, I can reset my mobile network settings. So you don't want to reset your device, just simply reset mobile network settings or reset Wi-Fi settings. So give that a try. Do not factory data reset your device. That will erase all your data. So you want to try to reset your mobile network. If that still doesn't work, the next thing that you can do is to verify your storage space. So make sure that you have enough storage space on your device. If you are running out of space, then you may face an issue with WhatsApp. Here you can go into settings on your Android device, go into settings and then look for storage depending on which device you have. If you have a Samsung device, you can go into settings and then scroll down, and in here we look for device care and then tap on storage. And here it should give you information about your storage device. Make sure you have enough storage space left so that you can receive files from WhatsApp. If your device is full, you can delete unnecessary files, apps, or clear cache data to free up space. Next, solution number 3 is you want to check WhatsApp permission. So go into settings and then we go down and tap on apps. Then select WhatsApp. You can also use the search function up here to look for WhatsApp. So there it is. So tap on WhatsApp and then tap on permission. Make sure it has all the necessary permission, such as photos and videos, camera. And if you go to the not allowed section, if it does not have access to photos and videos, make sure you grant the proper permission for the app to access files. So give that a try and see how you go. So ensure storage, camera, and microphone, and music and audio all have permission to use. After that, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Okay, solution number 4 is to clear WhatsApp cache. First, swipe down at the top, then tap on settings. Next, we go down and tap on apps. Then we find WhatsApp and open it. Then we scroll down and tap on storage. In storage, tap on clear cache, and that's it. So just only tap on clear cache. Do not tap on clear data unless we log in is planned. So if you do not want to log in again, make sure that you do not tap on the clear data. Okay, so that's solution number 4. If it still does not work, you can try to confirm the date and time on your device. Some people prefer to set the time, maybe ahead or behind time. So ensure your device has the correct date and time. You can try to enable automatic date and time from settings. So in settings here, you want to go down and ensure date and time is set correctly on your device. So here in date and time, you want to turn on automatic date and time, just so that you so that your device have the actual accurate date and time, so that your WhatsApp can sync accurately. Okay, so solution number 6 is try to restart your phone. So here I will swipe down at the top and then tap on the power button, then tap on restart, and then if you tap on restart again, the phone will then restart. After the restart, you can try to launch WhatsApp and then try to see if you can send and receive files or documents. So give that a try and see if that helps. If it does not help, you may want to uninstall WhatsApp and reinstall WhatsApp, so you can touch and hold on WhatsApp, then tap on uninstall and then tap on OK to remove WhatsApp. You may want to choose keep your app data so that you do not lose any data from your app. So after the uninstall, you can install it again from the Play Store, and then you want to check to see if WhatsApp still has an issue. The next solution is to verify file format and size. So ensure media files meet WhatsApp format and size limit. So if you're trying to send a very large file, WhatsApp might have a limit, and it will stop you from sending the file. So the maximum size of file limit is 16 megabyte for videos and 100 megabyte for documents in WhatsApp. Finally, solution number 8 is to try and update WhatsApp. So you can try to update, or you can reinstall WhatsApp. So ensure that you have the latest WhatsApp version on your phone. You can do that by visiting Google Play Store and search for WhatsApp and update. So here we can go to Play Store, then search for WhatsApp. Now if there is an update, tap on the update button. Otherwise, you can simply delete the app and then reinstall. Once you install the app, you will always have the latest version on your device. And that's it. Hopefully one of those suggestions can help you fix the problem with not being able to send files and documents, or receive files or documents on your Android phone. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.